Hey everybody, it's your friend Jason Pound here answering the top questions asked by home buyers in today's real estate market. Question we're tackling today: what are the top misunderstandings of the VA loan program? If you have any veterans in your life at all, perk your ears up. I'm about to drop some knowledge on you that is going to blow their mind. Short answer: the top misunderstanding is that it's a loan program. It is actually a veteran benefit program. It is structured in such a way that immense protections are offered to veterans that are not offered under other loan programs. So it's really a benefit program. As usual, however, let me over-explain. Here are some of those benefits over here. Number one, there is no minimum credit score to be qualified for a VA loan. You can be declined by 5 VA lenders in a row and be told it is because of your minimum credit score or because of your credit score. The reason for that is every lending company has different overlays, additional rules that they place on top of the veteran loan program. And not all lenders do that. If you have been declined because of your credit score, realize that I have access to veteran lenders who do not have a minimum credit score. The VA loan program does not have a minimum credit score. That is not an excuse to not be able to buy a home as a veteran. Number two, there is no loan limit. Now notice there's a caveat here. If it is your first loan through the VA loan program, there is no loan limit. If you are a big baller, shot collar officer making a gazillion bucks a year and you want to go out and buy a $3 million property using your VA benefit, it is possible. And I have lenders who have access to those funds. Number three, many realtors will tell you that a VA appraisal is harder to get through than a normal appraisal. That's a misunderstanding. The VA appraisal guidelines are the same exact appraisal standards for FHA and conventional loans. The only difference is in the veteran underwriting guidelines. There's something called paragraph 12, where they will not allow a veteran to purchase a home that is not safe, that is not secure, and is not structurally sound. And if you're looking at a home that's not safe, it's not secure, it's not structurally sound, and you're putting down $0 as your down payment, you probably don't need to be buying that house anyway. That is the only addition to the appraisal requirements. And guess what? On a FHA appraisal, on a conventional appraisal, on a standard bank loan appraisal, all of those appraisals, the appraisers have the right to add lender required repairs. No different than a VA loan. Number four, this one is going to blow people's minds. If you have an existing VA loan in place right now and the interest rates have dropped, you do not have to refinance that sucker. Inside of the veteran benefit is something called an interest rate reduction loan. And you pay points. You pay 1 point or you pay 2 points. So if it's a $100,000 loan, 1 point's $1,000. If it's a $100,000 loan and you pay 2 points, it's $2,000. But you pay a flat fee, not out of pocket. It is added to the loan balance. That's why I say free-ish. So after a loan that is a veteran loan has been in place for 6 months, it's immediately eligible for the IRRRL, interest rate reduction loan. And they go out, look at the market, look at today's interest rates, see how many points it takes to get down there, add that to the back of your loan, and instantaneously your rate and payment are reduced. The only requirement to qualify for that is the amount that's being added to your loan. You have to save that amount in interest over the next 3 years. And if you don't save that amount, the veteran benefit does not allow that to take place because This is a veteran benefit program. It's to benefit veterans, not take advantage of veterans. So these are 4 amazing pieces of information that the veterans in your life need to know about. My name is Jason Pound with Jericho Pound Realty Group, Keller Williams Mullenix. We service the entire Oklahoma City metro area with hyper-local expertise in South Oklahoma City, Moore, and Norman. If we can ever be of service, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to serve. In the meantime, peace out. Have a great life.